Hello everybody, my name is Hunter's Roll Gaming. Welcome to Let's Play Island Getaway. Y'all remember last Monday, the Garfield horror game by Alex Craig? Well, he's back making this demo version of no other than Island Getaway. You can also actually wishlist it on, probably on Steam or so. I'm not sure if this is going to be available on Steam or still on itch.io, so anyway, let's check out the controls. Move with it, okay, so also the bow controls with the arrow keys and the mouse to look around and hold shift to run. Okay, attack with the loud mouse or number keys, select the dialogue or E. Anyway, let's go. Alright. So, out of service. Okay, the boat rental, $10 an hour. Ferry, what's ferry? I remember that one DJ with the name Ferry was Ferry Corsten. I remember listening to his music like ever since 2015 or so. Congratulations, all of us here at the Triumph Island Resort and Casino are excited to inform you that you have been selected as one of the winners for our getaway giveaway. Enjoy an all-expense-paid weekend retreat with a 2-night stay in the luxurious suite with an ocean-front view, private beach access, complimentary meals of any of our highly... I can't even read the rest of it. What the hell? Don't freeze my webcam on me. Don't freeze. Okay. It's still going. Thank fucking God. Okay, I swear to God, if please stop freezing my webcam. Okay? I'm having my eye on you, green light. What the fuck is this? Is it lagging? Is it freezing? What the fuck is this? Okay, what? Hello? Okay. Okay, at least I can, okay. Okay, I was looking, I thought something bad was happening. What the fuck? Okay. Now I'm gonna have to row my boat gently down the stream. Merrily, merrily, merrily. Life is but a dream. Oh, God. Oh, my God. What? Am I still rowing my boat? I don't see any paddle. Wait. Oh, wait a minute. I stopped rowing my paddles for a moment. Oh, there's a shark. I see you. Oh no! Oh no! No, no! Oh no! Move! Move on! There is a fucking shark! Ah! No thank you, shark! No fucking thank you! Oh! Please. Please, shark! What the fuck is he doing? Is that a Meg? Please tell me if this is Jaws or Meg. I swear this is fucking Jaws! What the fuck? Okay, let me move faster. Let me move faster, okay? Let me fucking move, whatever the hell is going on. I may attack the shark with a left click. Oh. Can I press any button too? I'm sure you, fuck! The tail, bro! Stop attacking me with your damn tail! Seriously! Let me just roll my boat for all the damn sake, okay? God, this is gonna be insane. Shit. Okay, please. Don't let the shark come back. I swear to God. What the fuck?! Can you please let me go? Alright, shark? God damn, what the hell is this shark doing here? He's not supposed to be here! Alex Craig, what the fuck is this level? With the shark just like ramming me through the fucking boat when I'm fucking paddling my fucking boat. What the hell? Dude, I swear to God, please, I swear to God, Ah! You stop that right now, shark. I swear to fucking God. What the fuck is this? Where do I go? Okay, maybe I have to actually turn my left. Can I usually turn my left? Oh, no. Okay, I can look back, too. That's nice. Uh-oh. Come on. Oh, no. Oh, no. No, shark. No. No! Oh, that was close. Come on. Well, this is a really long paddling. What the fuck? No. Ah! Oh my god. What the fuck? I cannot even make it. It's like a really long way there. Like, what is this shit? I can't even fucking believe it now. Come on. Oh my god, stupid shark. Let me go this way. Let me fucking go this way. No. Can I even paddle my boat even faster now? I don't... Yeah, you can't even paddle your boat faster. God damn it. I wish I could make it, but it's still long. Please! Stop it! Shark! No more! No more shark! No more! Hurry the fuck up, okay? No! Don't whip me! Son of a bitch. What the fuck? What is this deal? No! Son of a bitch, shark. Please! I have long ways to go, and you cannot fucking ram me through the boat ever again. This is why this level is like one of the worst. Because the shark is there, and how am I supposed to actually attack the shark if he just keeps doing that? Move, please, shark. Let me move! Let me go. Just let me go, shark. Let me go. Okay? Let me the hell go. Moving on. Ah! What the fuck? Uh-oh. What? Oh, so that was part of the game or something? Okay. Yeah, I think it might have been part of the game, apparently. Island Getaway. Okay, shark attacks 8. Wow, that took me like 6 minutes and 59 seconds. Wow. 7 fucking minutes? Are you for real? And I have like burnouts. 4 and internet attacks. 0. How do I attack the shark? You guys let me know in the comment section below if you already watch other people play Island Getaway and this shark actually attacks you for like a lot of times until you actually get drowned and all that. God damn. Alright, that was a demo for Island Getaway. That's how this game was supposed to be. That's how this demo was supposed to be. You get rammed by a shark until you drown yourself in the water. Oh my god. Okay guys, wait, am I being eaten by a shark? Wait a minute. Yeah, I think I was, oh my god. Well, okay, so I guess thank you so much for watching Island Getaway, a demo. If you all enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave us a like. Stay 20% cooler, be ready for the real action. We will see you guys in the next new video. Goodbye, everyone.